Hi there, in this next tutorial, we want to format our user interface for CRUD functionality. We have our expenses database profile created. We want to change the titles of the columns to be more user-friendly. When we select data, we see the titles based on the actual field names on the expenses categories table. To change the field titles, we go back to the columns for that table. We click on the title row for the field we want to change. We perform an inline edit of the title. Now when we show the data, the new column titles are used. We want to hide the cat ID column. Let's go to column and turn the table switch off. We will add functionality to hide the column on the input dialog also. We can add new expense categories. We can also delete expense categories. Let's explore another table. We change the sort order to be expense date. We reverted back to the expense ID. The input dialog components are dependent on the field type being used. We update titles for another table.